Okay, folks, so this is the unboxing of the new OXO Rapid Brewer. It's the new addition to the coffee and espresso family. It's a lot of hype on the internet. This thing has taken the internet by storm, and the wife couldn't get it in Canada, I don't think. She couldn't find it. We had to order from the States, and we got it for about $60. So out of the box, seems like it's very good quality. The only thing that I kind of have a beef with, but not a deal breaker by no means, is this cap. It don't screw on, and it don't fit snug. So if you're traveling, you may be rummaging around to find the cap once you get to where you're going, or if you got it in a backpack, you just might want to secure that somehow or put it in a different pocket in your backpack. Like I said, out of the box, very good quality. This little cup issue, it's not a deal breaker by no means. And it's a metal screen in the bottom, and a rain head, like a shower head on top, which distributes the water more evenly. So that's all there is, except for on the bottom, you're going to see there's a tamper. We'll show you in a second. But overall, it's a really good feel for quality-wise. They give you instructions here, but also they give you, I think, 4 different drinks that you can make. A hot one, a cold brew, a Americano, and a glatte or something like that, some dessert drink. Also, there's an alcoholic drink there as well. So we'll be testing these out. And this is what I was talking about. This is where the tamper is on the bottom. So it's compact that way. You just put it back there and it's out of the way for travel. So yeah, no biggie there, but I didn't know it was there. But you take 20 grams, you grind it here. We didn't spray the beans, so the static sticks to the side. You take your 20 grams of coffee, and you're going to put it in the bottom, and you're going to tamper it. This is a process that you're going to go through a few times, because just the tampering itself is a technique. Also, you're going to have to dial in your grinder, and you're going to have to see even your coffee for different coffees. You're going to have to trial and error all this. So after you get your coffee grounds in the bottom, you're going to put the top on, and you're going on the bottom and on the top, there's 2 lines, and you're going to line that up. So at the bottom is lined it up. So you're going to take the top off, and that's where you're going to put in your boiling water. Now, don't forget to put this on top of the cup, because the very first time you do it, you're going to have a mess if you forget to put it on the cup. And just fill it up to the line. You screw the top back on. You line up the 2 marks on the top as well. And you're going to wait 2 minutes. But if you see dripping, that is fine. Right here is a little too much of a drip right off the bat. If you see a little bit after a minute, that's fine. But you're going to wait 2 minutes before you put the pressure in. So after the 2 minutes, you're going to put pressure. You're going to pump it about 5 times. It don't matter how many times, I don't think, that you do it. Because when the water is gone, it's gone. So about 5 times. I gives it a couple of pumps after, just to kind of help with making the puck a little better. And you get a concentrate. So this concentrate is concentrated, believe me. So this is the puck here. And just watch this. When you dump that out, and that's impressive. right? For a manual machine, the wife, like, and it's easy cleanup, but it's amazing how good of a puck this thing does. I mean, the $2,000 machine don't do much better. So we're going to, this is our very first attempt at an Americano, and we're going to use, we halved it up, half the concentrate into a big mug, and we put the other half into this mug. Now, I don't like strong coffee. So this here is, I know by looking at it that I'm not going to enjoy this because it's way too strong. This is again where the learning process comes in. So, you know, I took a sip, no way. Now this here, this was strong as well. Even though it's in a much bigger mug, this was tolerable for me. I could drink this no problem. A little strong, but you know, I'm just a weakling, right? I don't like strong coffee. So the concentrate, I can get probably 4 cups of coffee out of this. Now this is the second attempt. So what we're going to do here is we halved it up evenly in our little espresso cups. So I'm going to have an Americano again, and the wife is going to have a latte. So, and it's in the bigger mugs. So we're going to see how this turns out now. We adjusted the grind a bit, so we should be getting to the point where we're figuring this thing out. I can tell this is a little more stronger than what I would like. And it's actually pretty good. I like it, but it is still strong. Like so out of a half of that concentrate, I can get 2 cups easy. Now this latte, wow, that was perfect, beautiful. And if you don't have a machine, then you're going to have a little frother. We got a little electric frother, and it does an amazing job. But that was perfect. That was excellent. Wow, that tasted wonderful. So that's the process of using this machine. And now that you know what you may have to do with the grind and adjust things. This is the coffee we're using, the 49th parallel. And it's a little old. It's not real old, but it's old. So that matters as well. So you're going to have to know your coffee, which you will, because you know. But look at this. I mean, the puck that come out of this little manual thing. It's amazing, right? And here is the product all in its glory. So folks, this is the first little step to this product, and hope to see you soon.